The new Boeing 777X arrived at Dubai World Central today, ahead of the upcoming Dubai Airshow. The 777-9 flight test airplane made a nearly 15-hour non-stop flight from Seattle's Boeing Field to Dubai, the first international flight and longest flight to date for the 777X as it continues to undergo a rigorous test program. The Boeing 777, commonly referred to as the 777, is an American long-range wide-body airliner developed and manufactured by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It is the world's largest twinjet. The prototype was rolled out on April 9, 1994, and first flew on June 12, 1994. The 777 entered service with the launch customer, United Airlines, on June 7, 1995. Longer-range variants were launched on February 29, 2000, and were first delivered on April 29, 2004. The 777 has been ordered and delivered more than any other wide-body airliner. As of August 2021, more than 60 customers had placed orders for 2,061 aircraft of all variants, with 1,669 delivered. The most common and successful variant is the 777-300 with 844 aircraft ordered and 810 delivered. By March 2018, the 777 had become the most produced Boeing wide-body jet, overtaking the Boeing 747. As of July 2018, Emirates was the largest operator, with 163 aircraft. As of September 2021, the 777 had been involved in 31 aviation accidents and incidents, including 8 hull losses, 5 during flight and 3 on the ground, with 541 fatalities, and 3 hijackings. In November 2013, with orders and commitments totaling 259 aircraft from Lufthansa, Emirates, Qatar Airways, and Etihad Airways, Boeing formally launched the 777X program, the third generation of the 777, not to be confused with the 777X variants, the 200LR and 300ER, which are the second generation of the aircraft, with 2 models, the 777-8 and 777-9. The 777-9 is a further stretched variant with a capacity of over 400 passengers and a range of over 8,200 nautical miles, whereas the 777-8 is slated to seat approximately 350 passengers and have a range of over 9,300 nautical miles. Both models are to be equipped with new generation GE9X engines and feature new composite wings with folding wingtips. The first member of the 777X family, the 777-9, was projected to enter service in 2020 at the time of the program announcement. By the mid-2010s, the 777 had become prevalent on the longest flights internationally and had become the most widely used airliner for trans-Pacific routes, with variants of the type operating over half of all scheduled flights and with the majority of trans-Pacific carriers. By April 2014, with cumulative sales surpassing those of the 747, the 777 became the best-selling wide-body airliner. At existing production rates, the aircraft was on track to become the most delivered wide-body airliner by mid-2016. By February 2015, the backlog of undelivered 777s totaled 278 aircraft, representing just under 3 years of current production at 8.3 aircraft per month, causing Boeing to ponder the 2018 to 2020 time frame. In January 2016, Boeing confirmed plans to reduce the production rate of the 777 family from 8.3 per month to 7 per month in 2017 to help close the production gap between the 777 and 777X created by a lack of new orders. In 2018, assembling test 777-9 aircraft was expected to lower output to an effective rate of 5.5 per month. Boeing was expected to drop 777 production to 5 per month in August 2017. As a leading global aerospace company, Boeing develops, manufactures and services commercial airplanes, defense products and space systems for customers in more than 150 countries. As a top U.S. exporter, the company leverages the talents of a global supplier base to advance economic opportunity, sustainability and community impact. Boeing's diverse team is committed to innovating for the future and living the company's core values of safety, quality and integrity. Hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so you can get the notification on each upload.